thing is just a 72 pin connector that's just pretty much old and 30 fucking years later, because this model is in 1985 and ES, so yeah, it's 30 years old, so I'm not really complaining about it, other than the fact that I bought it, but it's alright, you know, nothing that can't be fixed. Alright, so I just got done putting it back together and got the old school TV right here. Let's give it a try. Alright, look at that. Fuck yeah. That's all I did was swap out the 27 pin or 72 pin connector. So, right now, it's doing good. Fuck yeah. Alright, now let's try Super Mario 3. Alright. Select. Alright, look at that. Can't even move it. Oh. Doing graphics. Nice. Alright, well, at least it works.